So, hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Bitcoin. Today, we are going to talk about where we are at, where the crypto market is, and what could be the next potential setups that we can trade with, and which are higher possibility. So that we can get a good risk management and we can make some profit this week as well. So, stay tuned to the land. So, as you can see, we're in the city range for almost like it's now 12 days. It's really shit, guys. Like, we're in the shitty range for last 12 days. We have taken some trades, like we have longed this and we have short at this area. And yes, we actually made a very good returns on these two trades. And let's see what could be the next potential setups. So as I shared you this range and the swing failure pattern ranges in our Discord, this was the important range, but sadly I was not able to take this trade due to some personal issue. I was not at my setup, but yes, never mind, we will look for the next opportunities. Some of our members might have taken that trade, so I will tell you for that you can just change your stop loss to break even, so it would be a no risk trade. And what could be the next setup, so I'm just telling you what is going to be the next point. So before that, let's understand where we are at current market and on the higher time frame. So as you can see here, we are at the very important resistance level, as this was the very important support level of the previous bull run market. And yes, it's a very important resistance for now on the higher time frame, and it can't be broken. Yes, for now, like last time we have tested this, and you know what, important levels which are support or resistance on the higher time frames are very important, and they you can't easily break it in just one time. So yes, the retracement was actually good. Yes, now we have to see and we have to very cautious that are we going to break it and flies to 51,000, or we are going to see a major correction on the Bitcoin in the upcoming weeks. Yes, it is very important to keep an eye on the higher time frame. But yes, so what to do now? So personally, this is just a profit booking area for me. I've booked like 10% of my profit on this area. And what could be the next potential setup, I will let you know in the next. So jumping straight into the lower time frame, we can clearly see at this area, we just did a swing failure and we dumped. Sadly, we can't catch it. Never mind. So what could be the next potential setup? It can dump highly. It's possible, or it can actually pump from this, and it can pump to the upside. Everything is possible. But what we are going to trade is the highest possibility trade. So for now, I have just some levels that I'm going to approach and trade. But yes, I'm not going to place limit orders. I'll just wait at that price, how market reacts, and if I see some strength, if I see any sweep is happening at that area or any confirmation, then yes, then I'm going to enter, and I'll tell you how I'm going to enter it. So for now, what are the levels? So as you can see here, this high is not tapped yet. For this range, the lows have been tapped. This was a quick one. We made a good profit on the short right here, and after that the market pumped so quickly, and yes, we did the swing failure at these low and we dumped. It's good. It was a good trade. If someone has taken, yeah, good. You can just change your SL to break even, and this would be your first target. Why? So because there is some confidence that why I'm trading this. As you can see that we are forming kind of high low structure. So instead of shorting on the daily scalp at this area, I'll look for a long opportunity, because yes, it can take liquidity and pump to the upside. Very possible, right? So let's see how it goes. So this is the previous door low area, and we just can't trade only one thing, right? We need some high and more confidence to place any position. And why it's higher possibility, and why can we get a good risk management right here? Let's see. So as you can see here, this is a 0.5 Fibonacci of this range, this up and low, right? So it's clear that yes, 0.5 can be an area to long. 100%. After that, if we look at this low to this high, and you will see the golden pocket area. Yes, we are very close to the previous day low, so it can do you can see it can do a sweep, accumulate, and then pump to the upside, and this would be a very you can say you need to be very fast at this area. You need to just enter a trade very aggressive, take profit booking, and very defensive. You need to have a very good stop loss, a good risk management. Like you can risk 1 to 2% of your portfolio. So how you're going to trade it, you wait here, you wait for the swing failure pattern, and then you can enter at the highs. And what would be your target? It's easy, it's simple. So you can target this would be my first target. The reason is simple. As you can see, the clear bounce at this area, the clear rejection at this area, and this was of I think it's a value area high of this range as well. Let's see if it is. Yes, for sure. It's near the value area high of this range. So yes, it's a good resistance point. So they would be your taking profit area. So if you enter somewhere around this area, you can book something around this area. That would be a day scalp trade. Okay, now so the next possible setup that we can trade is the untapped June's high. Yeah, the previous month's high. So yes, we can pump to the upside, and we can see if we see a sweep at this high. Yes, we will enter a short position, the SL just above the high. We will target these lows, and we will just retrace our SL to entry to 25%. And yes, we will just broke around the support area as we have already planned it and all. So this would be, and the next area which is very possible right here is the weekly. As you can see here, this untapped sorry, it's tapped, but yeah, it's a very good resistance point. And if we see a leg up to the, we will see the reaction how market goes to at this area. Then yes, it could be a very possible short scalp to this daily support area. And after that, we can actually do a swing failure at this low. So it is very possible that yes, from this area we can have a huge jump. Yeah, I'm expecting that 100% very possible, as I have previously shared this range in our Discord, that yes, I'm very interested to short this area for any swing shot. But for now, I'm not any in any swing position. I'm just trying to have some day scalps to make some profits, and at the end of the week we are in green. Yeah, that's the strategy. That's the simple plan that we're going to trade, and we will make money in this week as well. Let's see how thing goes, and we'll see. Okay guys, so that's all for today's video, and if you want to join our Discord server, we have a very great community, over 1300 members. So if you wish to join and see my live trades and live setup that I share, where the stop loss and all these shit, you can join our Discord server, and we love to treat you and make you a better trader. Happy trading guys. Trade with very good risk management, trade with a great mindset. You will become a good and better trader one day. Cheers.